Hello and welcome back to my channel Maths, and today I'm back with my new topic factorization, where I'm going to teach you the different methods of finding out the factorization. Now it depends on the nature of the question, that what kind of a question you have to factorize. Like if you look at this question which I have taken right now is 36a cube b minus 60a square bc. Now if you look at the question, although this 36 can be written as 6 square, but this 60 cannot be written as any numbers whole square because it is not. So we cannot make this as a whole square, whereas here also A is having a power 3, this B is single, here BC again is there. So in such cases we take out common factors. So basically we need to take out the HCF of the numbers which will be taken out as common. So here if you see 36 and 60, both the numbers comes in the table of 12. If in case you think you're not remembering the table of 12, so you can just check this 36 and 60 by, because if you do it by 2 it is divisible because we have even numbers. Then you can check it by 3 because 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 0 is 6 only, so it is divisible by 2 also, 3 also, so that means it's divisible by 6 as well. Then you can check by 12 because 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 60, and the numbers are small, so you can of course check by 12 as well. So here if I take out 12 as common, we need to look for the variable part as well. Here it is a cube, here it is a square. So I'll take the power which is smaller. So I've taken out a square, then b of course can be taken out because it is coming in both, and now 12 3s are 36, a left, b we have already taken out as common, minus will come here, 12 5s are 60, a square gone out, b gone out, and c. So this is how we factorize by taking out common factors. Now I have taken another example in which I have taken a trinomial which is 6a square minus 8ab plus 4a. Now again if you look at the numbers, this 6 is again a number which does not have any perfect like a whole square number. 8 again is not a perfect square number. 4 is, but there is no point because we have a single a here, so we cannot make it a whole square. So again we need to take out a common factor. So if we look at the HCF of these three, like if you have to look at these numbers, all these numbers are even, 6, 8 and 4. We can't take out 4 because 6 is a number which doesn't come in the table of 4. So we'll take out 2 as common, and from the literals we'll take out a as common. So here you can write 2a, and then what is left? 2 3s are 6, 1 a will be left, minus 2 4s are left 8, and b will be left, plus 2 2s are 4, and no variable here because a we have already taken out. So for this the answer is this. So this is how we use the common factor method for factorization. Now the next method of factorization is by grouping the terms. So again look at the question and make it out which method is suitable for your question. Now the polynomial that I have taken is x square minus y plus xy minus x. Now if you see this polynomial, we cannot take out a highest common factor from all these terms because all these terms are different. So in such a case we need to make groups of the terms, and then only we can take out common and move ahead for the solution. So what am I going to do is, here if I take out, like if I group this x square minus y and this, so in this there is a possibility that I can take out x as common, but here there is no possibility. And when we are making the group, I'll tell you what is more important in it. Now first of all, the first thing is I am going to do one thing, that I am going to put x square plus xy together and minus y and minus x together. I'll tell you the reason why once I solve this question. So from these two and from these two, I've done the grouping thing now. So I'm going to take out common from the first group, so that will be x plus y. Here in this case if you see, there is nothing common coming out, neither the variables, we don't have any numbers, but yes we have a numerical coefficient as 1 for both of them. So that 1 will be taken out with a minus sign. The reason being, we want our brackets to be the same. Whatever is left in the bracket has to be same once you take out the commons after grouping. So I was about to tell you that only that once you have made the grouping, ensure that whatever is left inside the bracket is same along with the signs. This is x plus y, this is y plus x. So in addition, it can be like the places can be changed. Whether you do 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2, it will be the same. But it cannot be a minus y plus x, because here both the terms are positive. So here also both the terms have to be positive. So you have to do the grouping in such a way that you are left with the same identical brackets. The terms have to be same of the bracket. So the last step for this question will be, once you have done this much, you will write the common bracket once, which is x plus y. This you will write once, and the terms that are left outside the bracket will be written once. So this is our final answer. So that's how we factorize an expression by grouping the terms. I hope these two methods are clear. In my next video, you'll watch the next two methods of factorization. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and do share my videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.